Villanova's approach to teaching entrepreneurship, I think, is different because of the Villanova culture. It's also collaborative versus competitive. A lot of entrepreneurship programs feel competitive. I think Villanova does a really beautiful job of making it feel like everyone is working together, helping to develop ideas, helping entrepreneurs get to whatever their finish line is. What I love about this course is it's incredibly concrete. I don't like to live in theory, so this is all about how to apply it in the real world. Success for students that complete this program is them being able to draw their own career map. They will have the skills and the tools they need if they want to go out on their own, if they want to do a side hustle, if they want to change careers in an organization, if they want to start a social venture. The possibilities are sort of endless because we're teaching you how to build new ideas, we're teaching you how to execute on those ideas, and that allows you to go anywhere. And that's why I love this work and these tools, because they give you so much flexibility.